That you in that mobile, in that mobile?
That's right. With my dual antennas.
It's working too. It's working for you. I ain't heard nothing from that rocker today. I've been busy reading. Hey, Bird, I've been busy reading all day long. I ain't had time to call my little friend. Yeah, I just trying to go ahead and read, get caught back up on it, get myself real familiarized with it, cause I don't want them throwing no monkey wrench in it. Yeah, I know it. I know what you talking about. And that module he gave me the other day to do has got 59 questions on it. And the way he talked, like they may pick about 20 questions out of that 59. That's just on this one test right here. I got about 5 more tests behind this one to take. Well, they're going to give me 3 shots at it, and if I don't pass it at 3 shots, then I have to go and resign my retirement paper. What the world is coming to. Yeah, I believe they'll go ahead and work with me, you know. I believe they will. I hope they will anyhow. I heard you only know about. How this radio sound?
Very good right
there. Yeah, 410. I'm on that base station right there and running that 2x8 fat boy. All right, you just riding and gliding. Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to do. Get me some rest and go back in again tomorrow. I done went in there and got my old boss man office lined up. And so that's where I'm going to start doing my studying at. Well, that boss man, him, the one I'm talking about, I just want to live out there on that road going to you. You know, he dead, that one is, but the boss man what I just had, the one come over there he was trying to get me moved back over there for 2 weeks, and his boss man told him, said, no, he wasn't going to move me back over there for 2 weeks, told him he was going to do it. Oh, he been getting around there with tight jawed and pissed off all day long. Yeah, it's a big difference. Yeah, it'll be all right. He'll get over it. Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, okay. I still got a cowboy. Yeah, it still sounding real good.
Still got up on the hill,
Yeah, I still got a cop on you.
Yeah, roll on the hill. I'll be out here. He been turning on his radio.
Yeah, as soon as my telephone now build up a little battery stand, I give him a call here in a little bit.
Yeah, find out what he got going on.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna ask him how come he didn't come out there with us last night.
Yeah, you want to come down and hear your radio?
No, that ain't gonna happen.
You still copy me pretty good?
Yeah, I got a good cop on you right there. Every now and then that skipper roll up in there. It's gonna do it in the morning or up in the day. Yeah, that'd be fine. I'm gonna go up in there in that office. I get there tomorrow, eat my breakfast, and go up in there in that office. I'm just gonna stay back there in that office all day long. Yeah, he come over there and I paid him to work for me for a full day. And I thought he was gonna actually, finish the whole thing up. I just come from over there looking at it because this first time I got a chance to go look at it since he finished up that day, and he got a little bit more there to do. It ain't got much there left to do. It probably ain't gonna get a chance to get no more of it done though, this year. Probably gonna have to wait, on over to the spring or the first part of the summer before I can get the rest of it done. I was over there looking at it a while ago and taking some pictures. There's a lady over there sitting up there on that porch. She said, that your place over there? And I told her, yeah, mine. She wanted to know what I was getting ready to build over there on it. I said, I ain't gonna build nothing on it. I said, I just getting it cleaned off and, getting it surveyed and everything. And I guess she thought I was getting ready to put a house or something over there on it. Yeah, I can just barely hear you, but I got a cop on you. Yeah, you come on up in there like Jack in the Box then. Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, I just got all that old noise coming up in my radio from that skip. You know how to come in there and keep up all that noise? No, I probably ain't gonna eat no supper. I'm probably go ahead and eat me one of these doggone fudge or popsicle. That's all I ate last night. I had a fudge popsicle and about a handful of potato chips. I heard you a dear. I was sitting up there today and I kept smelling something in there, and them fella had went in there and put about 2 or 3 steaks in there in the doggone oven. Now he sure enough had it smelling good in that control room. No, they didn't. I guess they didn't have it. No, they didn't eat them off me. No. I heard you, I did. Well, if I'm gonna buy something, I guess I'd get me a pork steak. I'll raise that squelch up just a little bit more since you put some more fire in the while. Yeah, 10-4. I'm getting some bleed over there.
I gotta get out of this hole.
Okay.
Yeah, it's no road runner. He done missed all kind of talking out here.
Yeah, he could have come out here last night and he could have done himself some talking last night. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a call here in a little bit and tell him first chance you get to go ahead and bring you that rig where you can straighten it out. And I'm gonna tell him you're gonna go ahead and salt up. You're gonna take your little old stick machine and you're gonna salt up the doggone panel on the way it can't get it loose no more. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Timbo. Sounded good when you come up in there too. I went over there and moved some of my stuff over there in the other control room, but I was on the bicycle, so I'm gonna get that golf cart here. Probably won't be tomorrow since you said it's gonna be raining. May have to wait a day or two.